Alright guys, how's it going? We make a little product review today. Now, I just installed these Powerstop Z23 sport brakes on my V6 Firebird, and I got these from Summit Racing. I got the whole kit, 4 rotors and 8 pads for the whole car. I think it ended up being about 270 bucks, so not too bad. And I gotta say, they drive really nice. You do the little break-in period, and then the car just stops really, really good. They're quiet, they don't make any noise, they don't dust up too bad, it seems. And obviously they look really cool, which is the main reason I put them on, of course. Now, as you can see, the car's been sitting outside for a couple days now in the rain, and they haven't rusted up at all, which is I found pretty impressive. And I did actually paint my calipers too. I got a duplicolor brake caliper painting kit, and it was about 20 bucks at AutoZone. And what I was surprised is it came with a brush, and it seems to work pretty good. It hasn't melted off. It looks pretty cool, I think. But overall, the brakes, I really like them. Happy with them. I'll get a close-up shot here so you guys can see them. They are drilled and slotted. Now, does my 200 horsepower V6 Firebird need that? No. But, you know, it's all the fun in thinking you got a race car, right? They look pretty cool. Get a different angle here. But yeah, I'm happy with them. I think they do stop a lot better than the original factory stuff. Now, is it going to be like this mind-blowing difference that you're gonna, you know, stop so hard you fly through the windshield? No. But for the money, I think the aesthetic improvement alone is worth it. But they do seem to perform better. They're quiet, they don't make a lot of dust, and they get the job done. And actually, if I was going to replace my pads and rotors with, you know, Duralast factory replacements from AutoZone, you're looking at almost $500 for the whole car, which I think is just absurd. But these Powerstops, which I consider to be a decent upgrade over stock, were about half the price from Summit Racing, shipped right to my house. So I think that's pretty impressive. So I got this kit from Summit Racing, right? It came with the whole car, and it shipped them in like 2 parts. So it shipped the fronts, and then a couple days later it shipped the rears. Kind of unusual, but you know, I mean, as long as they all get to my house at some point, I'm happy, right? As my voice goes very sour there. But yeah, I think they look pretty cool. They get the job done. Stop nice and quiet. I'm happy with them. They installed, you know, this is a direct bolt-on kit, so I didn't have to modify any of my stock brake equipment. I didn't have to cut anything, didn't have to grind anything. It just went on just the same as a factory replacement brake system would. My calipers are original. I just painted them. So these aren't like some fancy aftermarket calipers. I just painted the stock ones. And the rotors, they just slid right on. Pads went right in. You know, direct replacement stuff. No modifications required. But I do believe that the performance has improved. And I can guarantee you that the look of the car has improved. It looks like a fancy racing V6 now. And that's how I like them. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're thinking about buying Powerstop brakes, I say go for it. They've been good to me. I'm not sponsored by Powerstop in any way, shape, or form. Nobody paid me to say this, even though I wish they would have. But yeah, my honest opinion is Powerstop's pretty good stuff. I actually did put these brakes on my grandmother's 2015 Chevrolet Cruze, and they did just fine. So I'm pretty happy with that. Again, those were factory replacements, and they stopped very well. So I've put the Powerstop Z23 kits on this car, as well as my grandma's Cruze, and it's done very well on both cars. No complaints. Shipping from Summit Racing was quick. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.